In this lesson, you'll explain what people can do to help slow the changes to the Earth's landscape. Let's look at the photo of the straw wattles. How do you think these wattles can prevent or stop erosion? In this activity, you'll observe how water erosion affects a hill and how a paper towel waddle can prevent or reduce water erosion. To carry out this investigation, you'll use safety goggles, a pan, sand, a cup, a spoon, a pitcher of water, a pre-prepared cup, clay, paper towels, tape, and toothpicks. To complete this activity, you'll make a model of a wattle. A wattle is a tube-shaped device, usually made from straw. A wattle is placed on a hillside to prevent erosion. You will build your model to see how a wattle works. Before you begin, make a prediction. What effect will a wattle placed on a hill have on soil? Take a moment to share your prediction with your classmates, then select Continue. For this activity, wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Be careful with pointed ends when working with toothpicks. Mold the clay to form a smooth hill in the pan. Next, use a spoon and half of your sand to evenly cover the hill. Look at the cup. Notice the holes that are in the bottom of the cup. When water is placed in the cup, it will flow out of the holes, simulating rain. Hold the cup a few inches above the top of your hill. Have your partner fill the cup halfway with water. Move the cup back and forth across the top of the hill. What happens as the water runs down the hill? Record your observations in the data table under Without Paper Towel. To see the video again, select Replay. Select Continue when you finish recording your observations. To see the video again, select Replay. Select Continue when you finish recording your observations. Next, use the paper towel to gently push the wet sand to the opposite side of the pan. Use additional paper towels to remove most of the water from the pan. Dispose of wet paper towels according to your teacher's directions. Use the spoon to place the remainder of dry sand on the hill. Now you're going to make the wattle. Roll the paper towel into a log shape. Place a piece of tape around the wattle to keep it from unrolling. Don't put the tape in the middle of the wattle. Set the wattle across the middle of the hill. Your teacher will poke 3 guide holes in your wattle for you. To hold the wattle in place, carefully put a toothpick down through each end of the wattle and into the clay. You may have to twist the toothpick to get it through the layers of paper towel. Put the remaining toothpick down through the middle of the wattle and into the clay. Let's observe what happens when it rains on the hill now. Hold the cup a few inches above the top of your hill. Have your partner fill the cup halfway with water. What happens when the water runs down the hill? Is there anything different this time? Record your observations in your data table under With Paper Towel. To see the video again, select Replay. Select Continue when you finish recording your observation. To see the video again, select Replay. Select Continue when you finish recording your observations. Now that you've finished gathering data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.